how to install an SEG frame and install the SEG graphics. You take your corner piece and you slide it into the frame. You take your screws and you align the bracket with the two screws in the frame, and you repeat on the short end as well. You'll align the two screws into the holes. You'll then take your Allen wrench and you will tighten them down slightly, but not all the way. And then you will repeat this process in the other three corners. Now that you have all your corners connected, we're going to attach the display feet. There are three parts to the display feet. We have a threaded T that has a groove in it, and the groove is going to insert into the channel. Then we have on the foot, we have a little notch that is going to align into the channel. Then we're going to take the thumb nut and we're going to screw that on to attach the foot to the frame. And you'll repeat this on the second side of the frame. Now that your feet are attached, you're going to pick up your SEG graphic and you're going to insert it into the channel. We start at the bottom of the frame. You work in the corner and you gently slide across the bottom of the frame, getting both the corners in place and partially up the side of the frame. Then you will go to the top of the frame and you'll repeat the same step. You'll insert the gasket into the top of the frame. Working your SEG gasket into the corner and down into the side. You'll do that on the same side at the top, down the side again. Then once the bottom and the top are in place, then you work your way, you work the gasket on the sides down, starting in the middle and working out. At this time, do not tug on the fabric to avoid any type of unnecessary stretching. And then you repeat the same process on the other side. And there you have it, your finished SEG frame with the graphics installed.